And hello again. This is the third video about arrays, and we will continue from the second video where we ended. And this is what we did last time. We made a nice general code which is able to change the values with the same code, leaving the code the same. We are just changing the index here. Now, can we make it a little bit nicer still? I would say yes. We can still make it look a little bit better, in my opinion. Let's leave this, because we need to know where to start this. So obviously we need to leave this one like this. We need to tell that what is the first item we're gonna set. We want to set the zeroth item first. But what we can do here is that we can increase the I like this. We don't need to put 1, 2, because we might have a human errors here if I leave 2 here. So I will put like this. So now I is 0 here. So 0 goes here, and we are setting the first item. And then we are increasing I by 1 here. So I becomes 1. 1 goes here, and 1 goes here also. And then we are increasing I by 1 again here. I becomes 2. So 2 goes here and also here. And thus we get exactly the same result again, like here. And this looks nice in my opinion. Okay, we are still going forward. We are still going on the next level. And what is the next level? Let's leave this code here so I can show the last version, which is the professional way kind of doing these things, or almost, because I'm not gonna do necessarily. I'm not gonna do the C++ 11 version here, which is the best way I think to do things. I'm gonna do the traditional loop here, C++ loop, to do this thing. So we can use a loop here. Int I starts from 0, exactly like what we are doing here. These 2 lines, we are creating a variable I, and then we are initializing it to 0. Let me put J here so it's not confusing here, because we are doing something else here. We are doing a different code here. And the end condition will be J needs to be less than 3. So 2 will be the last one which we're gonna do in this loop. And here we're gonna do ++J, increasing the index by 1, which are these ones here. Like we are increasing the index here by 1, and we are increasing the I by 1 again here. So this will do that job. And inside here we can just copy now this code here, because it's gonna be very similar. So let's see. Just need to put this one to J and J here. So now this loop is doing exactly the same thing as we are doing here. So now we don't need to, let's say that the size of the array is 100, then we will need to write 100 lines, and we don't like to do that, obviously. So with 1 line here we can do it. We don't need to write 100 lines, but we can write 1 line like this. It's a general setting for array, and it's gonna set 3 values to 2, 4, and 6. And so let me take out this code from here to make it look a little bit nicer, and we're gonna run this program. I will put it here below, and let's take back this one, the first code from the first video. I think it was first video, or was it second video? And let's show this final version, and I will put these things to comments here, and let's see what we have right now. And is everything all right? Now I'm just compiling this project. no errors, and now we're running it, and as we can see, it gives correct results x, y, z 2, 4, 6, and array values are also 2, 4, 6. Let's quickly check what happens here line by line in this for loop. Lastly, when we come here, we are creating an integer variable j, and we are immediately initializing or setting it to 0. And this code is obviously, this code here is only done once when we first come to this line, and it will never be done after this. So it's just an initialization, only done once. And after that, we're gonna go here and we're gonna check that is j less than 3. Okay, it is, because 0 is less than 3. So we go inside the loop and we go here, and j is 0 now. So a 0th item set to 2 times 0 plus 2. So a becomes so what we get here basically is a0 set to 2 times 0 plus 2, which is 2. Okay, and then we go here, we finish the loop, and next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna increase the sorry, I'm not the English person, j by 1. So j becomes 1, j was 0, and now j becomes 1. And then we are gonna check this one next. 1 is less than 3, so we go inside the loop and we go here, and what happens now is that, let me write it exactly how it is. J is now 1, so 1, 1, so this will be 4. Alright, A1, the second array item set to 4. And then we finish the for loop again. We come to the last line here, and next thing we're gonna do always there is we are increasing j again by 1 here. J becomes 2, and we are checking is 2 less than 3. That is true. So we go inside here one more time, and let's do again what we have exactly. So j is now 2. J is also here, so 2 also, I will put 2 also there because j was there also, and we get total 6. So looks exactly what we want, 2, 4, and 6, and that's what it printed. I hope this cleared a little bit how I presented this, and somebody benefited a little bit. Thank you very much, and bye bye.